To install weekly updates, start with AIO, followed by ENC and Permit. Go to the Chart Loader section, Settings tab, click Browse, select AIO folder, and click Choose. Go to Install tab, click Scan Drives, click OK. Once finished, click Apply to synchronize updates with backup Ectis. Same procedure for ENC and Permit updates. To generate ENC update status report, go to the Report tab. Tick for the intended voyage and select Route. If all ENCs are up to date, click Generate to Report. To copy the report file, go to the Integrator, File Manager, Reports tab. Click Browse, select the storage medium, click Choose, click the file, and click the arrow right.